Hi, welcome to Levy Law, answering your questions about car accidents. I'm attorney Daniella Levi. Today I will answer the following question. When should I get a lawyer for a car accident? If you're injured in a car accident, the first priority is your health. Therefore, the first thing you should do is get medical evaluation and treatment, either at a hospital, a doctor's office, or in an urgent care facility. After that, it is best to get a lawyer as soon as possible for the following reasons. First, there may be evidence from the car accident that should be preserved, such as witnesses, video footage, etc., and the lawyer can get that evidence preserved for you. Second, there's a strict and limited time period to file an application for NoFault benefits, which covers medical treatment and lost wages. Your lawyer can ensure that application is timely filed and that your rights to those benefits are preserved. If you have any questions about when you should get a lawyer for a car accident, call us. The consultation is always free and the advice is priceless.